In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your calendar and manage permissions in Outlook. So here I am in the Outlook application. Right now we are in our mail inbox. From here, we need to go to our calendar. So just click the calendar right here on the sidebar. Then from here, you just need to select the calendar in this sidebar here with the different calendars listed. So for example, I want to share my calendar here. I can just right click it and then from here, click sharing permissions. Or what you can also do is that you can go right here in the ribbon and then there will be this button here that says share calendar. So I can click that and then I can go ahead and choose the calendar that I want to share, which is this one for my Outlook account. I can click that and then it will also open the calendar properties. So from here, we can add a person that we want to share this calendar with. For example, I can click on add and then you can choose from your contacts right here, or you can just go ahead and type in the email address right at the bottom. So for example, I'll put my other Outlook account here, then click add. Then we can click OK to confirm. So now it should be shared, and then sometimes it says this one calendar can't be shared with one or more people that you added. This is because I doubled the adding of the email address right here. Because I already typed the email address, then clicked add. So what happens is that it selected this account right here, which is just my other account. But we have added a user right here that says Outlook near videooutlook.com. And then we can manage the permissions over here. So it's either they can just view the calendar or we can let them edit our calendar right here that we are sharing to them. Once you're done, just click apply and then click OK. If you want to manage the permissions again, you can just go back right here to the sharing permissions tab. Then for example, if you want them to edit the calendar, you can just select that and then click apply and then click OK to finalize those changes. If you want to remove them from the permissions for your calendar, you can just click remove right here and then click apply and click OK. If you are using a business Outlook account or like an Outlook account that is inside an organization, it might look a little different. I'll select my other calendar right here, which will let me see through. I guess this one. So from here, for example, I can right click and then click sharing permissions again. Then there will just be some other permissions that are listed here. For example, we have none. We can view when I'm busy, can view titles and locations, can view all details, and also edit. So the only thing that was added is this one can view when I'm busy, like if your status is busy in the calendar, and then you can also allow them to view titles and locations. That is how you share and allow others to change and edit your calendar in Outlook. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and check out our other tutorials.